banana protein bread. In a bowl, go ahead and add some oat flour, coconut flour, protein powder, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt, and then mix that well. Set aside and grab your KitchenAid mixer out. Go ahead and smash 2 bananas. Next, add some egg whites, 1 whole egg, Greek yogurt, some sugar, and vanilla extract, and mix that well together. Now go ahead and add your dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix that together. At this point, if you want to add any chocolate chips, nuts, or seeds, go ahead and add them in. Now go ahead and spray a 9x5" pan with nonstick cooking spray, and then add your batter into the pan. Spread it out evenly and then cover it with tin foil. Place in a 350-degree preheated oven for 30 minutes covered and 10 to 15 minutes uncovered. Full recipe will be in the description below. Follow for more recipes.